He does not like it. No, wait, leave it, leave it. Here. I wish I could fly this one as well. Okay. Smell. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
He's not looking at it, he's looking at the TV.
I know, but he wants to. Leave it! He wants to put it in his mouth. Because he wants to bite it, that's what he wants to do.
Okay.
But he can't bite it when it's in my hand. It's okay.
Let's make it fly from his back.
No, he'll freak out.
Do it.
Okay. No, don't bite. It's lick. Here, smell. It's okay. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. It's okay. Whoa! I can't do it with both hands. It's okay. Be nice. It's okay. It's okay. No.
Can you sit, Oscar?
Sit. Sit. Good
boy.
Good boy.
Should get a remote controlled car. Or one of those vacuum cleaners that goes around by itself.
Hey, no, no, no. It's okay. I just don't want him to chew on it.
You might want to buy one that is in a bubble.
See, this one already, he's got a tip. The tip's already
Messed up.
broken on it. That's alright. Doesn't matter. I can get more of these. I got more of them already. So.
What do you mean?